How to learn about this image on your Windows Spotlight background. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove this image right here that says like this image, learn about it more type of stuff on your Windows Spotlight background. So let's just begin. So this is what I'm talking about. I don't have this feature for some reason, so I'm just using a picture from the web. So right here, you will see something like this when you're using the Spotlight. So when you click on this, it will give you the information about the image that you're shown. Now, to remove that, what we'll do is we'll do something like this. So first we'll go to regedit. So let's just do that. So just open up registry editor. After you do that, you will have to navigate to this link right here. So let's do that again. I'll provide this link on the description. So just copy it and paste it here, hit enter. And after you do that, what you'll have to do is just right click on this panel and select a new dword 32-bit value. So let's just do that, dword 32 value, and let's name this value this. So copy this and paste it on its name. So let's do that. Let's rename this. Let's remove this completely first, and let's do that again. So new D32-bit, copy paste this name inner, and now we'll have to change its value to 1. So after doing that, we're basically done. So yeah, hit enter, tap on OK, and you're basically done. So after doing this, you'll have to refresh your page and you're good to go. So that is how you remove the icon there. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.